honeys, I'm Nikki and welcome to Destination Lifestyle, where I'm on a journey to an amazing lifestyle featuring influences of fashion and travel. And if that's your thing, your vibe, then honey, stick around because I'm probably the auntie of that tribe, okay? Today we're going to speak about what I would like to say the absolute ultimate statement piece. It's been that for me, I would say, from this past summer until now. I can't get away from it. It's now a thing for me, and just keep watching. I'll let you know what it is. Alright honeys, so thanks for joining me today. But before we go down that rabbit hole of the ultimate statement piece for me, let's just go ahead and jump right into my outfit of the day. I'm wearing a Hermes blouse, Valentino belt, distressed Zara denim. Maybe I'll try to take a picture of it. Candy pink Rolex, throwback Chanel little pendant necklace, and this will definitely make a statement. This bauble of a gem here, this pink jewel that I got in LA. My Trinity earrings that are from Pascal Design. Remember, I have a code for Pascal Design. It will be definitely linked in the description box. And what else am I wearing? Oh, definitely a statement piece. This pink Kelly. Y'all, this is like one of my go-to girls. I can't even say, you know what, I won't even say that it's one of my go-to girls because this is a stunner. This is like a stunner. But I don't actually carry it that often. But at any rate, I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, what's a statement piece for you? For me, I mean, when you think about a statement piece, it would definitely be something like a bag, a ring, like a conversation piece. I think, you know, it's another term that you could probably use. And what else? A belt, a bold blazer that could be just like bright in color, something that stands out, that, you know, starts a conversation. But for me, as this past summer, my biggest statement piece has been something that I could not live without at the moment. Okay, so I feel like when you turn 40, stuff just starts to go downhill. I mean, it is what it is. And for me, you know, like, you start to gain weight. I was used to being a certain size. You know, I'm comfortable at 135, but lately, honey, she's been hanging around 145. I think I'm about 141 today. But it's like a thing with getting older. But getting older does not always have to be a bad thing. Like, I just turned it into fashion at the end of the day. So for me, last year, I decided, like, hey, I need glasses. And by glasses, I'm like, I was throwing on readers, and I'm just like, you know what, like, I cannot, like, the readers aren't getting it. Like, I put them on to read because I actually cannot see close up. I used to have 20/20 vision until just a few years ago, and then it just started, you know, vision kind of started getting a little blurry. And I was just like, yeah, I don't want to wear glasses. I really don't want to wear glasses. Do I really want to wear glasses? Like, should I get LASIK, or you know what? I did not want to wear glasses. Glasses was just like, yeah, I'm not trying to be wearing no glasses, because that's just like, yeah, I was just not trying to wear no glasses. Okay, so finally I just walked into, you know, an eyeglass store. I had to get, you know, my vision checked, and I had to get glasses. And I was like, oh my gosh, well, if I'm gonna get glasses, I'm gonna get Chanel glasses, because like, that is like, I'm not getting anything below Chanel. I could not find any Chanel glasses that I liked. They were just like all so plain. And then I was like, I am not paying this amount of money to be wearing no plain glasses. So I was like, oh, I have my baby sister wears glasses. And I was like, yeah, maybe I need to, you know, like, she was like, yeah, you can just, you know, get a pair of Chanel sunglasses and then just turn them into glasses. I still couldn't find anything I liked. I had to think outside of the box. And by thinking outside of the box, I may think outside of the box, okay? I said, let me go to like maybe some more exotic, you know, kind of boutiques that sell like more trendier pieces, because if I'm gonna wear glasses, I'm gonna make a statement, okay? Okay, honey, so by making a statement, I mean making a statement. These here are my Anna Karin Karlsson glasses, and of course you've seen me a million times with these glasses on. I felt like they were the perfect ones for me. They came in like a few other colors, like pink, green, a white, a black, and I chose these because I felt like they would, you know, go good with everything, you know, for working and all that jazz. How do I look? This is my ultimate statement. Okay, honey, these glasses are so fabulous. Like, I cannot go anywhere without getting complimented on my glasses. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I really didn't know that glasses could pack such a phenomenal punch in like fashion. But I'm like, yeah, like what was I thinking? Like, I would have gotten glasses like a few years ago if I would have known that I would get like this many compliments. Like, everyone loves my glasses. They are like my ultimate statement piece, like at the moment. All right, guys, so the great reveal I got a new pair of glasses because I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't like get compliments every single day, can I? Well, I can. These are my new Anna Karin Karlsson glasses. This pair here, I wonder, can you see them? This pair right here. Y'all, these glasses are so fire. So fire. I am going to, so about these glasses, I'll put the picture here up in a description of them maybe, but these are new, y'all. I am like such a glass like fiend right now. Like, this is like so, it's not even like my glasses, I think they're kind of trendy, but these are my new ones. They came in a more circular shape, but because I already had like a circular shape with these, I wanted to get these a little bit more square. I was actually going to get these Cartier glasses, and I was thinking, no, I think these are like maybe a little cuter than the Cartier glasses I was going to get. So I was like, I'll just get these Anna Karin Karlsson glasses, but get more of a Cartier rectangle lens. So the frames are Anna Karin Karlsson, and then I got the lens made more of a Cartier style. My assistant, I'm going to show you some of my assistant glasses. He wears glasses. It's sort of like, you know, an accessory for the assistant, because, you know, guys, they can't do that much. But I'm going to show you a few pair of his glasses because he really got me into, you know, he was like, yeah, you really need to go get your eyes checked out. So he really got me into the fashion side of glasses. This is a pair of his Cartier glasses here. I feel like, yeah, he only wears like Cartier glasses. I don't want to touch them. And it has that little panther there on the side. And then they're gold. I didn't know glasses could be so cool. You know, when I just see people with glasses on, I just see people with glasses on. And I feel like everyone that sees my glasses that are wearing glasses, I know I've said that word, I'm trying not to say that word again, they definitely compliment me on mine because I was like, oh, it's a thing. So some of you that wear frames were probably thinking like, yeah, you know, it's a thing, but like, hey, I'm new to this, and like I'm making a vlog about it. So I'm definitely new. But these are red ones. This is wood here. These are his Cartier frames, and they're like red and gold. So cute. He even gets like his sunglasses medicated. I'm not into that yet, but these are they here. These are so cute. He probably has about 6 pair of glasses. I think he likes to change them with to match his watch and his outfit, and I guess his attitude of the day. Let me show you one more pair that he has. So, oh, this one here I really like a lot. This is like a more, I don't know what this is called, but it's definitely pearlish looking, and the sides are like this. And it has that little Cartier here and the little Cartier tattoo here. But forget about his stuff. Y'all, how dope are these Anna Karin Karlsson glasses though? And you know who else wears Anna Karin Karlsson? This is a case that they come in. Have you guys watched that Young Fabulous and African show that's on Netflix? This is in box. I think they could have did a little better with the box. Hey, Anna Karin Karlsson, if you're out there anywhere, like, we need a better box, honey. But Swanky Jerry, when I would watch Young Fabulous and Rich on Netflix, Swanky Jerry would wear, like, I have a different pair of Anna Karin Karlsson glasses on. I'll just show you a few of my favorites. And I'm like, oh my God, like, he's got to have a contract with her because he has like every single pair. Crazy. And they're not cheap at all. I will link some of my favorites below. Neiman Marcus carries them, Saks Fifth Avenue, I'm sure Bergdorf Goodman carries them. And if you just buy the glasses, I'm sure you can take them to your local eyeglass or optician. Is it not obstetrician? Your eye doctor. Let me just say eye doctor, because, like, let me not mess that up. You can go to your local eye doctor and they could probably put the medicine in them for you. They are not for the weak, I will say that. But definitely they are for the looks. It's like the ultimate statement piece. Like, I am so excited about my new glasses. And if, you know, some of you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me wearing them and probably didn't notice, or maybe you did. If you wear glasses, you probably noticed. But that's, anyway, I just wanted to introduce you honeys to my new statement piece. Also, I know I was supposed to be doing Rose Wednesday today, but I wanted to save it for one more week because guess what? I'm going to Paris tomorrow. I've got to get packed today, and I'm going to do Rose Wednesday from Paris because I want to go and get one of my favorite bottles of rosé and introduce you guys to that. And if we're in Paris, of course, we're gonna have champagne, right? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go get a rosé bottle of champagne in Paris, and hopefully, you know, I can get some good content with that because I definitely can't wait to get this Rosé Wednesday thing popping, okay? Oh yeah, honeys, I forgot to show you guys my scent of the day. This scent I wore and definitely got compliments. This is probably one of my most complimented fragrances, and it is, let me show you honeys. I put this one on second, but this is definitely one of my most complimented. It's so simple, but it's Red Roses by Jo Malone. It is very soft. Men like this soft scent. It smells exactly like a red rose. Men love it. Women love it too because it's like a soft central scent. But because it is winter, I wanted to kind of mix it with something that was a little stronger, and that would be my Acne Studio by Frédéric Malle fragrance here. And it does have a little, it's a little stronger, more powdery rose to it, and I just mixed them first. So I actually sprayed this one first because it's the stronger of the two, and then I put the Jo Malone's Red Roses on top of it. So this, I got compliments all day on this. At any rate, honeys, I am going to not ramble because you guess what? One of my subscribers said, I enjoy your videos, but you were just like all over the place. You gotta stop rambling so much. So I said, you know what, honey? I'm definitely going to work on that. So there was no rambling today. I don't think so. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely like this video so I can keep making more of this content for you. Guess what, honeys? Don't forget, we're going to Paris tomorrow and we're gonna have some fun. It's Fashion Week in Paris, so yeah, we're gonna go and do some things. I don't have any events to go to. I just so happen to be going, and it's Fashion Week. I definitely have a fitting, Chanel fitting. I like to get something in Chanel, like when I go to Paris. I don't care what it is. When I'm buying, honey, I'm buying something. I'm leaving here with something. And the assistant's birthday is March 7th. He's a Pisces. He's the sweetest thing ever. And with that being said, we gotta get the assistant a birthday gift. He doesn't want much, thank God, because I want to buy something for myself. He doesn't want much. Well, I don't know. We'll see. We're just gonna get him whatever, and I know what he likes. Oh, I also have to pick up a shirt. I'm gonna take you honeys with me to pick up my custom design shirt that was custom for me at Charvet in Paris. I've gotten that shirt made so long ago and I've just like not picked it up. So I gotta go finally to Charvet and pick up my blouse, my custom blouse. All right, honeys, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos and content. All right, honeys, I will see you, honeys, in Paris. Bye.